channel today. Yes, we are here for something different today. Not a beautiful wig review. Today to talk about some Maelys products, honey. This is a breast lift, a stomach lift, a ass lift, all in a beautiful little bottle. Okay, and no, this video ain't sponsored. This is a real review from a sister that's been her own queen on this. Okay, so if you want to know more, go ahead and stay tuned. Y'all, this little, I don't even know what to call it, this cream in this bottle is no freaking joke. I've been using these products for maybe like 6 or 7 months or so. It's like, look, I am 43 years old. As you are getting older, shit don't get tighter unless you're working on it, okay? Stuff gets flabby. You get dimps and dimples where you don't want it, okay? This is all grown woman body, okay? I'm not that 20-something that I used to be anymore. So I have to bit of work in, but I'm not going up under no knife, okay? You a sister and or brother who is having the same issues, okay? As we get out of our 20s, get in our 30s, and as you get in your 40s, y'all all know that stuff starts going downhill. And if you ain't taking care of it, honey, okay. So I've always had very huge breasts. Okay, right now I am standing at a 40H. Okay, I've always had a huge butt. I've always had nice thighs. Okay, but again, as I got older, it was like I started losing the density of my behind. If y'all kind of know what I'm talking about, it's like I got a big old behind, but I'm losing that plump to it. Okay, you feel what I'm talking about? It's like stuff was just not fitting right. And it's like, although I do exercise, I do my elliptical and stuff, it was like I wanted just a little bit extra to keep that plumpness in my behind. And I swear to God, there are ads on like Instagram and Facebook and everywhere, TikTok. It was like, it was just in my face, in my face, in my face. So I was like, okay. I was like, let me see what all the hype is about. Let me buy a product. The first product I bought was the B-Flat. And this is the stuff that they say that you rub on your stomach and it literally like eats up that cellulite and stuff like that. And I got to tell you, my sisters and my brothers, okay, the stuff really works. As I'm talking, I'm going to insert clips of what my stomach looked like before. You know, I should have took pictures along the way, but I didn't because I didn't expect it to work, okay? But please note that, okay, you can't just be fat and flabby and act like the stuff in the bottle is going to take care of it. You still got to do some work, okay? I don't care what no reviews and no what anybody is putting out. You still got to do some of the work yourself, okay? So I still did my sit-ups and extra stuff and did some exercising, okay? It wasn't just this, okay? So let's just make that clear, okay? But you know, I wanted exercising and exercising. It was like this damn stubborn fat. I was like, what in the hell? I can't get rid of this. I was like, at least tighten it up or at least get it down. It's like I'm drinking the tea to detox, and you know what that means, but we'll come back to that. But anywho, it's like I'm doing that. It's like I'm doing my sit-ups. I'm working out. It's like I can't get rid of this freaking fat. So I was like, let me go ahead and try this. And baby, when I say that I went from buying clothes that was 20, and not 20 because I was fat, but 22, how should I say it, to fit me right, to fit my curves. It was like I needed to go up some sizes, but it's like I'm back in my 1X. I'm back in my extra large. What? Baby, okay? Just stay with me now, okay? This stuff is no... I'm going to insert a clip here and stop talking, and I'm going to let you guys see the video of the first time that I got this and I put it on. It literally set my ass back, okay? It's no joke when they talk about that warming sensation. It literally took me back. I think I put too much on the first time because, ooh, it had me hurting for a minute. So I'm going to insert that clip right here. Hey, y'all. So I just applied the buttocks one, and then I applied the stomach B-Flat. Woo! When I tell you, okay, first of all, you can't put a lot on because this shit is burning.
It is burning like a motherfucker. I didn't put the one for the breast on because shit, the other two is burning the shit out of me. But they do say that is probably gonna last for like 2 hours. So yeah, that pain's a little intense. So we'll have to see how that works out. But just got out of the shower, put those on. A little goes a long way. Don't put on a lot. Don't be judging my makeup. I didn't take it all the way off. So we'll have to try the one for the breast lift in the morning and see how that one works out. But I wouldn't advise doing all three at once because these two are really it's kicking my ass. So I will show you guys what it looks like in the morning and also show you how to apply it. And the other thing is, when I was putting it on, when I was rubbing it on, when I had finished rubbing it, I was still rubbing my stomach. That shit burnt my hand. So whatever they got in this stuff is like extremely strong. So we'll see. Also, before I forget, the other thing I would tell you guys is to definitely put this on at night or in the morning if you're not going anywhere, because again, this shit is burning. So yeah, to each his own.
When they tell you that you're gonna experience that warming sensation and it's gonna last for a while, I don't know if it was because it was my first time using the product that it kind of took me back so much, but as I kept using the product, I could put it on and then it didn't faze me anymore. I think my body was like, what the hell is this? What you doing? What you just put on? Okay. It was like, no. But after a while, I got used to it. So for this product, I take a shower in the morning. It's like, I'll get up, I'll exercise, I'll shower, I put this on. Before I go to bed at night, I don't know about y'all, but I shower again and then I put this on. So I put it on twice a day, in the morning and at night. And it's been working wonders, you guys. When I swear that this is, don't be going up under a knife and all that other stuff. Try things instead of just going up under the knife first. The next thing that I got, because I wanted to, like I was just telling you guys, I wanted to get my behind back to the way it was. I mean, that is what my husband loves. I mean, although he loves me, but he loves my behind, okay? He loves that, you know, it's big, it's firm, and all that other stuff. But anywho, so the next product that I had got is this B-Thicc, okay? So this is what kind of tightens your behind. It firms it, it lifts it up, and most definitely. And again, like I said, I'm going to be talking and I'm going to be inserting clips and stuff so you guys can see what my behind look like. And I'm gonna try to not, you know, show too much so YouTube won't flag it, okay? But I'm gonna try to show you enough to where you can see where I was at and where I'm at now, okay? So this works really, really good. With this, I didn't get any warming sensation or anything with this. It's like you put it on and you're good. But I use this twice a day as well. I get out of the shower and again, I'll put on my B flat and then I'll go and I'll put this on my behind. And I will tell you that in between, if you're using multiple of their products, go and wash your hands between every application, because I don't know, something between all of them. The first time that I had put them on and I was trying to put them all on at once without washing my hand, it was literally like my hands was on fire. So I will give you that little tip. If you're using multiple of their products, wash your hands in between every different application so you don't have that problem. Next thing that I had used is B-Thicc. Okay, I think I was using them too for a couple months, and then they had came out with the B-Thicc. Okay, this is used as a booty mask, so it's like an enhancing mask, okay, to make it a little bit bigger, you know, okay. On top of using the firm and the lift, you get a little bit more added Botox, okay, if you use this. And trust me, again, sisters and brothers, it does work, okay? Again, like I said, I'm going to be inserting clips and stuff so you can see what my behind look like now, okay? But this is good. If you're going to start off with anything, I say get the B flat. I say get the B-Thicc and the B-Thicc. and start with those. And trust me, you will have all these other products that I am using as well. But again, so I started off with those. Again, when I had ran out of those, I had came into the B-Thicc, okay? This is for you girls up here, okay, to perk these up. Okay, it says lift and firm your breast mask. Now, you know, I'm going to tell y'all something real personal. It's like when a sister take off this damn bra, her shit was hanging, okay? Because again, I just told you I'm a size H, okay? I'm big, okay? So it was like, okay, it was like, yeah, I definitely need to get these up off the ground, okay? So I was like, let me try this out. And and one thing I didn't tell you guys, each one of these smell so good. Each one of them has a different like fragrance. It's not overwhelming, but it smells so beautiful. Each one has its own different smell. I just thought I would throw that out there. But this one is for your breasts, to lift your girls up a little bit. And I will say that has been working well as well. And I think I forgot to tell you guys how I use the B-Thicc. So again, like I said, I'll use this first, then I'll put on the B-Tight, then I'll put on the B-Thicc, and I rub the B-Thicc on right after the lift one, the B-Tight. I rub those on right after each other and then just go along my day. And then the B-Thicc, again, I would rub that on my breast, and you rub it kind of up here. I wouldn't rub it up here, up under the bottom part of your breast. I started doing that and it was getting like a little burning, so I wouldn't do that. I kind of rubbed it just right on the top. Avoid the nipple, y'all, but avoid it, you know, just around my breast area. And so I use all of these on a daily, and again, wash in the morning, wash in at night, use them both that way. Product that I bought is Be Poised. This is for like your neck and décolleté area up in here, if you got the turkey neck and, you know, okay, going on. Sometimes I'll be on my Zoom calls and I'll be like, what in the hell? What is that? So this is tightening all of this up in this area up here. This works really well too, because again, like I said, as we all age, if you ain't taking care of it, honey, well, I don't know what to tell you. But again, this is all in my regimen, so I use this along with the other products, and I put this on twice a day as well. So that's that. Then the next one that I had just picked up maybe about a couple weeks ago is their repairing night cream. And I put this on at night. So only at night, once I re-washed again for the last time, I'll put all of this stuff on and then put my mask on my face. And when I wake up in the morning and rinse it off, my face is so soft. And that's another thing. My husband would be like, what you use on your behind? Some buttermilk? And I'm like, no, it ain't no buttermilk. It's my products. These two products, I don't know what's in them, but they make my behind so soft and smooth, okay? It really kind of is like buttermilk because it's so soft, but it makes my behind really smooth. So, okay, ladies, something for your man, okay? Or your girl, okay? We don't discriminate. So the next thing that I picked up is this, what is it? Oh, Bright IT. So I had picked this up, and this is a lifting eye cream. So sometimes the sister get like little bags and stuff up under there. So I kind of use this at night, or sometimes I use it along with my makeup routine. So I'll put it up under there before I put my eye gel or something on. I'll put it up under there, and this works really good, but it tightens those bags up under there, and you can feel it tightening up. So that's a good one. The other one that I picked up is this Flaunt It, and this is a serum for your face. I will put this on at night. Make sure your face is already clean, and you can put this on, and this works really well. Again, it makes my skin really soft, so I like that. One of the other ones that I just picked up that they just came out with is this B-Flex. Now, this is for the flabby flab up under her, okay? And I just tried this last night, and this one kind of took me back, because this one is another one with the warming sensation. Yeah, I was in a little bit of pain last night, because that warming sensation kind of caught me off guard again. I mean, I know I read it on the back, but I was like, I'm good. I'm like, I ain't gonna. Well, it took me back for a couple hours. Thank God it was nighttime and I went to sleep, because it was like, woo. It's like, when is this shit gonna wear off? Okay, but this is another one. I'm not quite sure how it works yet, because again, like I said, I just tried it last night. So if you're interested to know how it works, if it really works, let me know and I could come back and do a full review if this works, or if this is something that you want to add to your collection. The other thing that I picked up is this Purifying Mask. So I haven't used this yet. I'm going to use this in a little while after this video and see how this works. It's supposed to be like a good intensifying, neutralizing, purifying mask, to make your skin all better. So I'm going to try this tonight and we'll see how this works out. Again, if you want a full review on this, let me know in the comments below and I'll let you know. But, from my perspective, like I said, this is not a sponsored video. This is a sister that was like, what the hell can I do to not be trying to go up under the knife? I need to try to tighten up some stuff, because I mean, okay, I got to keep my man, okay? Hello. So it was like, what else can I do to kind of tighten stuff up? So like I said, I tried all of this stuff. It's been working for me. I love it. You guys, leave me some comments below if you have bought it already, or if you were thinking about buying it and you're like, is this really, worth the hype? Is it worth my coin? Okay. Like I said, for me, I'm going to continue using these products. Anything new that they come out with, if it's feasible for me, I will go ahead and try it. So you guys let me know. So you guys all know what we do on this channel. Okay. It's either these products are a slay or nay. Comment below. They are definitely a slay for me, because like I said, I'm in love. Okay, whatever they bring out, like I said, if it's relevant, I'm gonna go and get it. Okay, because it's working for me. Okay. I want to stay young and sexy. Okay, I don't know about y'all. Okay, but I am a grandma, not a granny. Okay, not yet. Thanks, my sweets. Follow me on my Instagram handle right here if you want to see what I'm doing. You can also go find me over at TikTok at Slayed by Sweetie. And then I will catch you in the next video. And peace.